Namaskar friends. Today we are going to talk about the national parks in Assam. Now, recently, two new national parks in Assam have got officially notified, taking the total number of such protected areas in the state to 7. The two new national parks are Dehingpatka and Raimona. Assam already has 5 national parks: Kaziranga, Manas, Dibrugarh, Nameri, and Orang National Park. Let us look at them one by one, starting first with the Kaziranga National Park. The Kaziranga National Park is a national park in Golaghat and Nagaon district of the state of Assam. The sanctuary, which hosts two-thirds of the world's great one-horned rhinoceros, is a World Heritage Site. According to the census held in March 2018, which was jointly conducted by the Forest Department of the Government of Assam and some recognized wildlife NGO, the rhino population in Kaziranga National Park is 2,413. Kaziranga is home to the highest density of tigers among the protected areas in the world and was declared a tiger reserve in 2016. Now the highest tiger density is in Orang National Park. The park is home to large breeding populations of elephants, wild water buffalo, and swamp deer. Kaziranga is recognized as an important bird area by BirdLife International for conservation of avifaunal species. When compared with other protected areas in India, Kaziranga has achieved notable success in wildlife conservation. Located on the edge of the Eastern Himalaya biodiversity hotspot, the park combines high species diversity and visibility. This is the location of Kaziranga National Park. Now, let us take a look at Manas National Park. Manas National Park is a national park, a UNESCO National World Heritage Site, and a Project Tiger Reserve, an Elephant Reserve, and a Biosphere Reserve in Assam. Located in the Himalayan foothill, it is a contiguous with the Royal Manas National Park in Bhutan. The park is known for its rare and endangered endemic wildlife such as the Assam roofed turtle, hispid hare, golden langur, and pygmy hawk. Manas is famous for its population of the wild water buffalo. Manas National Park has recorded 55 species of mammals, 380 species of birds, 50 species of reptiles, and 3 species of amphibians. Out of these wildlife, 21 mammals are India's Schedule 1 mammals and 31 of them are threatened. The park is well known for species of rare and endangered wildlife that are not found anywhere else in the world, like the Assam roofed turtle, hispid hare, golden langur, and the pygmy hawk. Now, let us take a look at the next national park. This is the location of Manas National Park. The next one is Nameri National Park. Nameri National Park is a national park in the foothills of the eastern Himalayas in the Sonitpur district of Assam, about 35 kilometers from Tezpur. Nameri is about 9 kilometers from Saridwar, the nearest village. Nameri shares its northern boundary with the Pakhui Wildlife Sanctuary of Arunachal Pradesh. Together, they constitute an area of over 1,000 square kilometers, of which Nameri has a total area of 200 square kilometers. Nameri is also declared as Tiger Reserve in the year 1999-2000, which is the second tiger reserve of Assam after Manas Tiger Reserve. It has 2 crore areas, Nameri National Park and the Sonai Rupai Wildlife. The river Zia Bhoroli is the lifeline of Nameri. which flows along the southern boundary of the park from northwest to southeast. In the eastern side, the river Bor Dikorai flows along the southern boundary from northeast to southwest, which is a tributary of the river Ziabharoli. This is excellent elephant country and was considered to be an elephant reserve. It is an ideal habitat for a host of other animals including the tiger, leopard, hog deer, sunbird hole, gaur, clouded leopard, leopard cat, barking deer, wild boar, sloth bear, Himalayan black bear, Cape langur and Indian giant squirrel. This is the location of Nameri National Park. Now let us take a look at the next national park, which is the Dibrugarh National Park. It is a national park in Assam located in Dibrugarh and Tinsukia districts. It was designated a biosphere reserve in July 1997 with an area of 765 square kilometers, including a core area of 340 square kilometers and a buffer zone of 425 square kilometers. It is located at about 12 km north of Tinsukia town at an average elevation of 118 meter, that is 387 feet, ranging from 110 to 126 meter. The park is bounded by the Brahmaputra and Lohit rivers in the north and Dibru river in the south. It mainly consists of moist mixed semi-green forest, moist mixed deciduous forest, canebreakers and grasslands. It is the largest salix swamp forest in northeastern India, with a tropical monsoon climate with a hot and wet summer and cool and usually dry winter. Annual rainfall ranges from 2300 to 3800 mm. It is a haven for many endangered species and rich in fish diversity. In December 2020, Guwahati High Court stayed a permission given to Oil India Limited for hydrocarbon exploration at 7 locations inside the protected area. This is the location of the Dibrugarh National Park. Now let us take a look at the next national park, which is the Orang National Park. It is a national park in India, Assam, located on the northern bank of the Brahmaputra river in the Darang and the Sonitpur district of Assam. It covers an area of 79.28 square kilometers. It was established as a sanctuary in 1985 and declared a national park on 13th April 1999. It has a rich flora and fauna including great Indian rhinoceros, pygmy hog, Asian elephant, wild water buffalo and Bengal deer. It is the only stronghold of rhinoceros on the north bank of the Brahmaputra river. Orang National Park contains significant breeding populations of several mammalian species. Apart from the great Indian one-horned rhinoceros, which is the dominant species of the national park, the other key species sharing the habitat are the Royal Bengal tiger, Asiatic elephant, pygmy hog, hog deer, and wild boar. Some important species of the critically endangered and endangered category are the following: the pygmy hog, the Bengal tiger, and the great Indian one-horned rhinoceros. This is the location of the national park. Now let us take a look at the two new national parks that have been created recently. The first one is the Dehingpatka National Park. It is located in the Dibrugarh and Tinsukia district of Assam and covers an area of 231 square kilometers rainforest. It was declared a wildlife sanctuary on 13th June 2004 On 13 December 2020, Government of Assam upgraded it into a national park. On 9 June 2021, Forest Department of Assam officially notified it as a national park. It is located in the Dehingpatka landscape, which is a dipterocrap dominated lowland rainforest. The rainforest stretches for more than 575 square kilometers in the districts of Dibrugarh, Tinsukia, and Saraidew. The forest further spreads over in the Tirep and Changlang districts of Arunachal Pradesh. The Dehingpatka forms the largest stretch of lowland rainforests in India. The Dehingpatka Wildlife Sanctuary was declared as Dehingpatka Elephant Reserve under Project Elephant. Being a completely virgin rainforest, this sanctuary is very rich in biodiversity. It is an ideal habitat for non-human primates. Till date, 47 mammal species, 47 reptile species, and 310 butterfly species have been recorded. The most common mammal species of this sanctuary are hollowed gibbon, slow loris, Assamese macaque, stump-tailed macaque, cleft langur, Asian elephant, Bengal tiger, Indian leopard, gaur, Chinese pygmalion, Himalayan black bear, and the red flying squirrel. Now, let us take a look at the next national park, that is the Raimona National Park. It is a national park in Assam, India, located in Gosaigao subdivision of Kokrajhar district. It was declared to be a national park on 5th June 2021 by the announcement of Assam's Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on the occasion of World Environment Day at Gandhi Mandap, Guwahati. On 9th June 2021, it became a national park through an Assam Gazette notification. The Raimona National Park, located at Kasugao Forest Division of Gosaigao Subdivision, which falls under Kokrajhar district of BTR. It is a part of a contiguous forest patch with an area of 422 square kilometers covering the northern part of the notified Ripu Reserve Forest, which forms the westernmost buffer to Manas Tiger Reserve in the southern foothills of eastern Himalayan biodiversity hotspot. Raimona National Park is famous for golden langur, an endemic species which has been named as the mascot of Boreland region. It also has Asian elephant, Royal Bengal tiger, clouded leopard, Indian gaur, wild water buffalo, spotted deer, hornbill, more than 150 species of butterflies, 170 species of birds, and 380 varieties of plants and orchids. This is the location of the Raimona National Park. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and take care of your health.